Is your brain inflamed? Well, how would you even know, right? Now, if your back's inflamed, you'll know because your back hurts. Inflammation stretches the tissue out and people have back pain. When the brain's inflamed, it isn't necessarily head pain, headaches, that kind of thing. It can actually be different states of what we refer to as mental illness. So when we're looking at brain inflammation, we want to realize there's two areas of the brain that sort of react with each other. One of them is called the prefrontal cortex, and that is your reasonable brain. That's the side of you that says, okay, I'm going to actually think this through before I act. And then there's the amygdala. That's the very rash brain. That's the really reactive brain, the brain that gets you in trouble and has you sort of overreact emotionally. It turns out when you have a lot of processed food in your body, and things that you don't react to, you're generally inflamed. The brain is inflamed as well. And that disrupts the communication between the reasonable brain and the rash brain. And the rash brain tends to take over. So then what we have is, you think of attention deficit disorder and hyperactivity and different conditions you see in children, but in adults as well. You have depression and anxiety as the end result of this. And so, what can we do about this? One of the first things I want to tell you to get involved in is nutrient-dense food. Now, what does that mean? Well, a lot of times what people are eating is high-calorie, low-nutrient food. And it fills you up, and it's usually processed food with all kinds of colorings and flavor enhancers and all kinds of things that are going to get the body in trouble and make you actually overeat. And one of the things to look at is, was that food ever alive? Does it have the potential to become more alive? So let's look at those foods. Nuts and seeds, for example. Now, nuts and seeds is a great example of food that has potential. Potential to grow into something like a plant, obviously. So you're eating something that stores with it an amount of energy that we really can't research yet and know what is that potential to grow into something. But nuts and seeds follow that category. Meat and eggs, they've been around forever. They've been given a bad name off and on throughout history. I believe that we just suddenly haven't discovered that they're bad or good. They've always been good. Make sure that you're getting meats that are treated right. I think how an animal is raised is very important. I don't think that the industrial farming of chickens is healthy at all. If you've ever seen how that's done, it'd make anybody want to be a vegetarian because it's just horrifying. But healthier sources of those. I get my chickens from a farmer who has them running around. They're free range and they eat bugs and seeds, so they're full of nutrients themselves. And they lived a great life, right? So that's a much better thing. Cruciferous vegetables. I've mentioned this before. They carry all kinds of substances. One of them is DIM, which will actually help you balance hormones out and make you feel a lot better. And in the fruit department, the berries are by far the most nutrient dense. They carry a lot of fiber, so the net carbs is really good, so you don't get blood sugar rushes. So load up on these foods and see how you feel emotionally. You should be able to see a difference that the reasonable brain is winning and taking care of the amygdala, that rash brain, and you'll feel a little bit more steady emotionally, and I think everybody would be better off that way.